I live in Dubai. My company is in Dubai. A lot of people have real estate problems here. You have developers, you have people that want to be real estate agents. I think nowhere in the world you have real estate agents like in Dubai. Every second guy is a real estate agent. What's the difference? Why would you go with Sam and not go with Anne? Or why would you go with Jake, not go with Alexander? The thing is, if you have a property that you are selling, you know the price for that property. You know the value if somebody buys that property. Is it near to school? Is it near to hospital? Is it near to markets, malls? Is it near to tourist attraction? You can use digital marketing your way, so you can cut the middleman. Use digital marketing to speak to your audience, the people who will search for expensive things. In Dubai, everything is 1 million and above. So if you are selling something for 1 million, you need to have somebody who buys certain stuff for $1 million, or he's willing to spend or finance $1 million over 1 to 5 years. Explain to them you're the good solution through digital advertising. Show them 360 videos, show them different gallery views, show them community, show them security, show them safety, show them everything through your landing pages, and then when they schedule a showing, that's a possible conversion. So instead of just trying to find one person in 1 billion, you can attract right eyeballs to you. So you don't need to chase people, you need to attract people to come to you, and then you can choose to who you sell property. Here in Dubai, we did sold a lot of properties through digital marketing, from $500,000 up to $80 million by property or apartment. You can always attract right people if you have the right pillars and right messaging delivered to the right people. You cannot sell Lamborghini to the people that drive regular car or they use metro. In the same thing, you cannot sell branded stuff like Louis Vuitton, Cartier, Dior to the people that do not like or they don't have money power to buy. You will just annoy them, or you will just attract curiosity to your product. Avoid burning your budget, avoid splitting your performance fee. Just go with the right targeting, and with the right targeting you will have right sales.